the exact amount, exact number to do. So this is a very useful formula for business decision. We can use in different types of decision. We can use it. So now go to another problem, that is data table. So data table, there are two types of data table. One is one way, another is two way. So two way data table, and two. Okay. Okay. Geometry. So in this problem, we want to see and use the same formula and use the same thing, as you are a very this course is for starting level students, so we are using very normal model. So you need to solve 50,000, then price, then fixed cost, then variable cost, then revenue. Just use formula in every problem. Without formula, it won't work. Variable cost and profit. So we want to see if our price reduce in 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, 9, or remain same, or increase 11 taka, or 12, or 13, or 14, or 15 taka, then what will be our price, what will be our profit for different types of price. So if our price decrease, we use different variables. So if our price decrease to 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, or increase 11, or 12, 13, 14, 16, then what will be our profit? So for this problem, write the numbers. This way we can write, we can input our numbers of price, different types of price, different price. So we are going to use one way data table 5, then use series. Okay, so one thing is very important, that you have to copy formula here. This is the most important thing. So write formula here, and this is profit. So what do we have to do? We have to copy the formula cell, and by this way, and everything remains same according to our previous problem. We use the unit sold, unit price, and the variable cost. Then next step is select from here to last, not here up to, not here up to here. Then go to data, select data tables, and import cell. What is our input? Our input in this problem is price per unit, and that is in a column, not in a row. and in column F. This is the very important things. Column A. So our input row in column A, just click here and click here, then you can see profit at different prices. We can use the same problem for row levels. What is again for you, and then again for this, just for example, for using row, and one we use column and another is row. So this is one way, is table, and our input is in a row. Now in a row, just okay, put okay, then. So this is one way. What we have to do, we have to we have to put some value in a row or columns. For this problem, we take it in a row, and just before you saw, we can use this thing. This we can input this data in a row. In this problem, we're using columns of 5 to 16. Then take the profit here. Take the profit by using equal, and just put your by this way, and then copy, select, and just select data tables and change your row, column input 10, and okay, then you will see the results. And data table, two-way data tables, now you will see the two-way data tables. And for the last problem, you will see so two-way data tables. Two-way data tables mean data will be in two different. Whereas for just thing, price will be 5, 6 for different price. Take the price up to 15, different price and different variable cost. So yes, just take a different values. 10. So this is price. This is price column. We'll see the profit at for different price, and this price, and this is for different price. So no, this is variable cost, different variable cost, and different price. So in this problem, just see, just border the table. Now see, so just see, this is variable, here is very different variable cost, and here is different prices. What we want to see, for 5 price 5 and variable 1, what will be our profit. So just border up to this level for your understanding. We are doing this. You see, this is price level in a row, and this is variable cost. Just see, this is the most important things, and what you have to do, just take the profit here and remember it. Use all formula in everywhere. So copy this one here, and then select the whole table, not outside of the table. Select the table, and just see from here, then go to data, what if analysis. Again, these are data tables, and input row is a row cell. This is variable cost, and variable cost here, and price, a column input cell is price, and these are price. Then take, just see, so what we want to do, use condition formatting to see profit greater than 0. Okay, again profit greater than 10,000. So these are the cells, and here, or another thing you can do, select conditional formatting, then top 10 items. So just see, our profit will be maximized at this top 10 persons. So top 10 persons, and from here we can decide we reduce our variable cost to 4 and increase price up to, and then our will get 42,000. So by this way we can make different types of decision in our problem. At last we are using